Hello, this is Jim Norton, Senior Technology Consultant on Dean Norton's technology team. This is a demo of our Vendor Maker application. This app lets you put approval processes in place around creation of vendor records and updates to vendor records. You can have a workflow with one approver or two approvers. There's a notification system that will allow you to specify who should receive notifications that they have approvals waiting, along with the ability to reroute approval notifications to the specified alternate approver. In the upcoming series of videos, I'll walk you through the whole workflow for how a vendor gets created, routed through approval workflows, and sent to the vendor list that lives in Intacct's AP and purchasing modules. This first video shows us how to set up approval notifications. The Vendor Maker application is built on Intacct's platform, so it's going to function and live very much like any other application in your Intacct instance. To set up approval workflows, you will go to Vendor Maker from your applications list. You'll go to the admin configuration, and we're going to add an admin configuration. Here we can specify what is the name of our admin configuration. So in this first example, I'll create a single approver. We specify how many approvers are needed. And then we're going to designate who is approver number one and who might be the alternate for approver number one. And then I'm going to hit save. And that is creating an approval workflow for notification purposes. The actual ability to approve a vendor in the Vendor Maker app is a permission, just like a permission in any other Sage Intacct application. And we have a detailed setup guide on exactly what the permission should be for each user or each role. To create a double approval notification system, we would do a very similar thing. We would come into Vendor Maker, go to admin configuration, hit the plus sign, and I'll call this one maybe double approver, indicate that I want two approvers, and then I will designate who my approvers are. So I will call it approver one here, and then I'll give approver one an alternate. And then I will say approver two, give approver two an alternate, and hit save. And that is as simple as it gets. And that is how you set up approval notifications in the Vendor Maker application. Watch the next videos to see how the application works for creating a vendor and routing it through the approval workflow.